How to blur a face in CapCut in Android or iOS. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a blur into someone's face if you're trying to edit videos using CapCut on your Android or your iOS device. It's going to be the same buttons and the same features. So just simply open up CapCut and make sure that you already imported the video where you would like the face to be blurred. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is to select effects. Now choose on video effects and then from the search box type in blur and then just simply choose on the very generic blur, which is going to be the first one right here. Now just simply add it into the timeline and then adjust the duration time of the effects that you've used. And then what you want to do next is to tap on the current video or the first video and then choose on duplicate. Now from the second video, you just have to choose on overlay. Drag the second video all the way that will match on the first video. The next thing to do is to select the second video and then scroll all the way to your right and then choose on mask. This is where you can choose the specific shape you want, but for faces that you would like to be blurred, just simply choose on a circle one. And then before you place it to someone's face, just simply choose on invert to the lower left. And you can adjust it and then have it on check mark. And that's it. That is how you blur a face in CapCut on your Android and iOS.